It began as a grand tour, a journey of exploration. In 1977, humanity launched Voyager 1, a marvel of engineering, into the vast unknown. Its mission to visit Jupiter and Saturn, sending back images and data that would forever change our understanding of the solar system. Voyager 1 revealed Jupiter's storms and Saturn's rings in detail no human had ever seen. It became our remote set of eyes, venturing where we could not. After its encounters with the gas giants, its primary mission was complete. But Voyager pressed on. It journeyed toward the edge of our solar system, destined for interstellar space. On board was the Golden Record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds and images, a message to any who might find it. Year after year, Voyager drifted farther from the Sun, becoming the most distant human-made object. Its signals grew faint, a lonely whisper across the void. Yet, even as it faded from view, Voyager had one last story to tell. A story captured in a single haunting image. This image would become a cosmic message, echoing through the silence. Voyager's journey was no longer just about exploration, it was about legacy. A silent sentinel carrying humanity's hopes into the unknown. And as it drifted into darkness, it prepared to look back one final time. The stage was set for a revelation no one could have predicted. Decades passed as Voyager 1 neared the edge of the heliosphere, the Sun's protective bubble. NASA scientists watched, waiting for the moment it would cross into true interstellar space. Communication was slow, a fragile link across billions of miles. Then came a bold request to turn Voyager's cameras back for a final look at home. The probe wasn't designed for this, but the value of a family portrait of the solar system was too great to ignore. Commands were sent, travelling for hours to reach the distant craft. Voyager reoriented, its cameras now aimed at the faint light of its origin. Exposure and targeting had to be perfect. One mistake, and the image would be lost. The team held its breath as data trickled back, a weak signal from the edge of the solar system. Slowly a mosaic appeared, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Earth, tiny specks in the darkness. But among these familiar dots, something unexpected emerged. An anomaly, an image not part of the planned portrait. It seemed to come from the darkness itself. The team was stunned. What had Voyager captured? The data was real, the image undeniable. A mystery had arrived from the void. The world would soon see what Voyager had glimpsed. A final enigmatic message from our farthest explorer, and with it a new chapter in the story of cosmic discovery. The image was unlike anything Voyager had sent before. Not a planet, not a moon, not a star field. Instead, the frame was dominated by deep blackness, interrupted by faint, perfectly straight parallel lines. They stretched across the image, geometric, unnatural and ghostly. Scientists checked for errors, damaged sensors, transmission glitches. Nothing explained the lines. Every test confirmed the image was genuine. The lines were real out there in the darkness beyond our solar system. For decades, we've searched for signs of intelligence, radio signals, patterns, anything. Now, from our most distant probe, came a structure that defied natural explanation. Too perfect, too orderly to be random. The possibility of something artificial was staggering. The team felt a profound unease. This was not the discovery they'd hoped for. It was a mystery that challenged everything we thought we knew. No second look was possible. Voyager was moving ever farther away. This single ghostly image was all we had. A fleeting glimpse of the unknown, captured at the threshold of interstellar space. It left us with more questions than answers. Was this a message, a relic, or a cosmic coincidence? The image became a silent enigma, echoing through the scientific community. It was a reminder. The universe still holds secrets beyond our imagination, and sometimes the answers are just out of reach. Voyager's image was a puzzle waiting for someone to solve it. But for now, it was a haunting testament to the unknown. and it changed how we saw our place in the cosmos. The fear sparked by the image was not of monsters but of the unknown. The lines suggested something vast, silent, and possibly ancient. No radio signals, no activity, just a geometric presence in the void. Was it a relic of a vanished civilization, a tombstone in the cosmic dark? The public reacted with awe and anxiety. The debate over our cosmic solitude was no longer theoretical. The image forced us to confront our smallness and fragility. What if we were shouting into a graveyard? For scientists, the fear was also one of inadequacy. The structure didn't fit our understanding of the universe. If it was artificial, who built it? Why? It hinted at forces and intelligences beyond our comprehension. We were like ants discovering a superhighway, unable to grasp its purpose. The image became a cosmic memento mori, a reminder of mortality on a galactic scale. It challenged our assumptions and humbled our ambitions. The silence of the structure was perhaps the most chilling message of all. In the end, it was a spectre in the static, an unanswered question from the stars. Scientists responded with skepticism and methodical inquiry. Some proposed plasma filaments, natural linear structures shaped by magnetic fields in interstellar space. Others suggested reflections from Voyager's own structure, creating artifacts in the image. Simulations were run, but results remained inconclusive. No single explanation fit all the data. With only one image, the mystery endured. The spectre in the static remains a testament to the limits of our knowledge. Whatever its origin, the image became a symbol, a cosmic mirror reflecting our hopes and fears. Some saw it as a promise of connection, others as a warning. The lines became a Rorschach test for humanity's outlook on the universe. The discovery shifted our relationship with space exploration. It reminded us that the universe is not obligated to meet our expectations. Its greatest secrets may be deeper questions, not simple answers. Voyager's image taught us humility. Even at the edge of our reach, we are confronted by mysteries that leave us speechless. The image endures. A modern myth, a ghost story for the space age, it marks the boundary of our knowledge, urging us to keep searching. In the static there may be whispers, and in those whispers the story of our universe awaits. Voyager 1's journey continues, its power fading as it drifts through interstellar space. Soon it will fall silent, lost in the galaxy's background noise. Yet its legacy is secure. A reminder that the universe is an unfolding map, not a finished book. Every new mission is a step into the unknown. Sometimes we find confirmation, sometimes we find mysteries that force us to redraw the map. The quest for knowledge is humanity's greatest adventure. The story of Voyager's strange image shows why we must keep asking, what's over there? The universe is full of surprises, waiting for curious minds. The map is still blank, and we hold the pen. The responsibility to chart this reality is ours. Voyager's story is not an ending, but an invitation. An invitation to look up with curiosity, not fear. The universe is a source of endless wonder, and we each play a part in exploring it. Future generations will build on our discoveries, seeking answers to mysteries like Voyager's image. The journey is a relay. Our baton is curiosity. Let this story inspire you to keep asking questions and supporting exploration. The cosmos is waiting for those bold enough to look. The adventure has only just begun.